What can you get for 500,000? 3-2, 4 blocks from the beach in Satellite Beach. Let me show you. 545 Rosada. It's the living room. It's got a nice bay window. That was an inset to the living room. You come straight out through the dining room to get to the pool deck, which is a rather large pool. It's enclosed. This could be a really nice area. The kitchen overlooks, actually in two places, the pool. It's kind of a big yard, which is nice for something like this. This house sold 2 years ago. So there's some things you don't have to worry about from a house that was built in 1964. So the electrical and the plumbing's been handled. This is the primary suite. It's a step down shower right now, double sinks, toilet area, closets. It overlooks the pool as well. You have 2 additional bedrooms that share a bath. They're good sized rooms, nice sized closet. This is unique. It's one sink. It's got this tile, retro tile on it, the mosaics. At first, I thought you might want to keep it, and then it just really could use a little update. But the house is in good condition. It's got a newer roof. This kitchen's a good size. Take a look at it.